Guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making charcoal grilled chicken. Yes, it's so easy to make. You can choose to make it juicy or as dry as you want. It's all a matter of preference. So guys, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel. Hit on the notification button to get notified anytime we post new and exciting recipes. And if you are an old subscriber, thank you for sticking with us. So let's get started. So for this recipe, of course, you need your star ingredients, your chicken. You need some seasonings, some pepper, and all the other stuff you saw in our video. So you first of all make some incisions on your chicken so that when you spice it up, every single inch of the chicken gets the spices. That will make it so nice. It will taste so nice. So we went ahead and blended our pepper, garlic, ginger, and we're going to add our spices to it. We're using onga stew, ginger garlic powder, onion powder. You can choose to use any spices of choice. As we always say, it's all a matter of preference. So grilled chicken can be enjoyed with any dish of choice. It usually takes about 30 minutes to get it well cooked once you have low to medium heat. But if you want it real dry, I suggest you let it sit on the fire for some time. That is, you lower the charcoal and let it cook slowly to get the needed desired dryness. Of course, we added some oil so that it mixes well together with the spices, so that it coats very nicely on the chicken. And your pepper mixture doesn't have to be watery. So once your pepper has been spiced with all your ingredients, then you go ahead and massage your chicken with your pepper, just like we're doing in the video. Make sure that every inch of your chicken gets the pepper onto it, especially the places we made the incisions. This is what is going to make your grilled chicken taste very, very nice. So at this point, our fire is already lit. You just have to add just a bit of oil so that your chicken doesn't get stuck on your grill. And you place it on your grill very nicely, just like we're doing in the video here. A bit of oil so that it doesn't get stuck on the other side of your grill. You just have to make sure that your charcoal is not too much so that your chicken doesn't get burnt whilst it's still not cooked thoroughly on the inside. So you continue to turn and flip it. By the way, this is just for some ketchup here and there. It's not really necessary, so You can tell from the video that our chicken is already looking very tasty and juicy. And trust me guys, when I say tasty, it really is tasty. So you can give it a try and you love the recipe. So this is what we came up with at the end of the day. Our chicken sitting nicely, and yours can also be the same if you give it a try. So guys, thank you for sticking with us till we come your way next time with another exciting recipe. It's thank you from us, and it's bye.